Imagine for a second that you are floating in the vastness of space. Everything seems quiet and still until you notice a spot where the stars seem to warp and bend like a reflection in a moving pool of water. You have just encountered one of the most mysterious and powerful objects in the entire universe. It is a place where gravity is so incredibly strong that absolutely nothing, not even light itself, can escape its pull. We call this a black hole. And today we are going to dive into the deep end to explore what makes these cosmic giants so fascinating. So how exactly does a black hole even come to exist? It all starts with a massive star, one that is many times larger than our own sun. At the very end of its long life, the star finally runs out of fuel and can no longer support its own weight. It begins to collapse inward under the sheer force of its own gravity. This collapse is so intense and creates something so dense that it forms a single point in space called a singularity. At this tiny point, gravity becomes infinite, and our normal laws of physics simply stop working. Surrounding this singularity is an invisible boundary known as the event horizon. You can think of this as the ultimate point of no return. Unseanting, whether it is a grain of cosmic dust, a beam of light, or even a brave astronaut, crosses this line, there is simply no coming back. It is the final frontier of our known reality. Now here is the question that everyone asks. What would actually happen if you fell into a black hole? Well, it would not be a normal fall. As you get closer, your body would start to experience a process with a very funny name but a very scary reality called spaghetti. Because the gravity is so much stronger at your feet than at your head, you would literally be stretched out into a long, thin strand like a piece of spaghetti. While that sounds terrifying, the way time behaves is even stranger. To someone watching you from a safe distance, far away, it would look like you are moving slower and slower as you approach the event horizon. Eventually, you would appear to almost freeze in place, gradually fading away into the darkness. But for you, the person actually falling in, time would feel completely normal. You would watch the universe behind you zip by in a flash before disappearing into the total unknown. No one really knows for sure what happens once you are inside. Some scientists believe you are simply crushed into nothingness by the extreme pressure, but others have much wilder theories, suggesting that black holes could be gateways or wormholes leading to entirely different universes. The truth is, we just do not know yet, and that is exactly what makes black holes so incredible. They challenge everything we thought we understood about space, time, and the very nature of reality itself. They hold secrets we have not even begun to discover. If you loved exploring the mysteries of the cosmos with us today, make sure to watch the next video on our channel. Thanks for joining us on this journey.